How to respond to "Would you like?" Essential English conversation tips. Let's get started.
Conversation.
Lesson 9.
Master English Skills 2024.
The explain.
Cup of coffee. Would you like a cup of coffee?
Yes, we'd like a cup of coffee.
Exercise. Lemonade. Would you like a lemonade?
Yes, we'd like a lemonade.
Telephone. Would you like a telephone?
Yes, we'd like a telephone.
Sandwich. Would you like a sandwich?
Yes, we'd like a sandwich.
Newspaper. Would you like a newspaper?
Yes, we'd like a newspaper.
Map. Would you like a map?
Yes, we'd like a map.
Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell button.